Welcome to the studio, dear friends. Today, I invite you into the heart of a painting, a moment of vibrant calm, captured with soft oil pastels on paper. This piece is titled Sunlight in a Jug. It's a celebration of nature's glow-fresh yellow, blossoms gathered in a cobalt blue ceramic jug. Stay with me and let's walk through the creative journey behind this radiant floral still life. Step 1. Light sketching the composition. Every story begins with a line. Here, I make a loose sketch using a light hand marking, the gesture of the flowers, the curve of the vase, and the grounded rhythm of the leaves. No rigid outlines, just a soft map for color to follow. Step 2. First layer of colors. With soft oil pastels, I begin to block in color. Rich golden yellows for the petals, layered with hints of orange, and lush, leafy greens to shape the foliage. This stage is all about energy patchering, the movement of light and life. Step 3. Painting the blue jug. Now, the centerpiece, the blue ceramic jug. I build it slowly with strokes of ultramarine, cobalt, and white. Oil pastels allow a beautiful painterly effect, like sculpting with color. The highlights bring the surface to life, and the form emerges almost like poetry. Step 4. Detailing the flowers. Each flower gains depth with red ringed centers. Back to the blooms. I enrich each petal with warm accents, blending softly with fingers and blending tools. Oil pastel is a forgiving medium. It encourages spontaneity. Every flower becomes a little sun, burning quietly in this bouquet of light. Step 5. Layering the leaves. Layered strokes of multiple greens. The leaves dance around, the flowers like gentle protectors, using a combination of viridian, olive, and teal. A layer textures that both contrast and cradle the blooms. The joy of soft oil pastel is in its responsiveness. Colors melt and merge with the warmth of your hand. Step 6. Background and surface. Smooth backgrounds appear around the vase. I soften the background with light, washes of white, sky blue, and pale grays, creating a sense of air, a calm sky behind the floral storm. The surface beneath the jug is textured, cool, and grounded, offering a quiet stage for the flowers to shine. Final touches. Tiny accents and color adjustments. Here come the final whispers. A sparkle of light on a petal, a stroke of shadow beneath a leaf, a forgotten lid quietly waiting at the corner. These last touches bring emotion and story into the frame. And here is the final painting, a radiant burst of life, captured through color, texture, and heart. With soft oil pastels, we just paint, we draw with emotion, layer with instinct, and blend with soul. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more art journeys, and share it with fellow art lovers. Until next time, keep creating, keep feeling, keep painting.